It's Saturday night, guys. Shouldn't we have a little fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's in the fridge today, Sean?
You got a Carolina Reaper. I mean, a ghost pepper. And milk.
Drink it immediately.
Not yet, not yet.
You have to wait a little bit. Let's see his reaction. Sean, eat the whole thing.
He did.
He did eat one bite of that shit. One bite.
Is it spicy?
I think I'm dying.
How do you feel? Tell me your thoughts.
Let's go. Oh! Oh my.
That's nasty. Sean, describe how you're feeling.
Tell me your thoughts.
It's just terrible.
He's just spitting it out.
He's just washing his mouth.
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought it'd go away. I can't feel the bottom of my mouth, dude.
That means you shouldn't be able to feel the top either, because when you feel the top,
No,
and
it's
bottom,
all pain. I feel like I'm in hell.
Yeah, so when you eat the other one, you can't feel the top one either. There'll be no pain. This is gonna be so
He's crying.
You okay?
Yeah.
You gotta finish it.
It's the pepper.
Sean, you gotta be strong. You gotta
The
be
bottom
strong.
fifth of it's still there. That's like $5.
Be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Who remember?
Y'all shut the fuck up.
Johnson. Shout out to Coach Johnson.
Yo,
Even have-
$5 per fifth. You left 1/5. At least you get a 5 back.
You shut up. How long until it goes away?
It's still there.
Wait, oh, ask Siri.
Dude, it's
It can last like 20 minutes. Yeah.
20 minutes.
How long has it been?
Like 5.
Oh, but digestive pain can last anywhere from 2 to 5 hours.
I'm gonna be shitting bricks for hours. Oh. No shots.
Zoom his face.
You good?
No. It's kind of nice.
It's so funny.
I honestly didn't think it would be this bad.
I thought it was just gonna be spicy.
I thought it would just be spicy.
Like it would just make his mouth hurt.
You guys sure that was a ghost back?
Sean, you're gonna be doing this
Down here,
Yeah, I know.
I feel like something's punching me. And like here, it's like someone's stabbing my fucking tongue.
This got so much worse.
I thought his mouth was just gonna be on fire.
Yeah, I thought that.
I'll give this a 10 out of I give it a 10 out of 0.1 in spiciness. I'm dying. I drank all of this. As a enjoyable, a 0 out of 10. And yeah, it's just awful. Terrible. How long has it been?
It's been like 7 minutes.